Hello ladies and gents, and welcome to week 5 of our excellent English 235 class. You may note that this week in our overview video there is no video of me. That's because my kiddos caught the lovely tummy bug that's going around over the weekend, and I've spent the last 24-ish hours, I think, catching puke in a bucket. So I will not be on camera today. But I would still love to talk to you about what we're doing this week. So this week we are working on writing a technical description document. At the beginning of the quarter, we talked about how the skills we use week to week ideally should be building. And so back in week 2, we worked on writing definitions that will form the groundwork for our technical description document. And so if we take a look at the assignment that's due on Sunday, it's that technical description document. We've got our description document website that you can check out. We've got the lessons and the modules for you. And I also have a template that I highly recommend you follow for this. Further help is available in our very excellent textbook in Chapter 4 and also in Chapter 8. If you have a different edition of the textbook, don't worry, the information is still in there. You'll just have to look it up in the index. So instead of going to page 366, you'll go to the back of the book, and in the index, you're going to look for the phrase writing descriptions. And it should come right up, as well as the phrase creating graphics in this second part. We will be peer reviewing because this is one of our first major, very detailed, larger documents. So in the discussion boards, we'll be doing a peer review process later on this week. So make sure to check that out as well. So if we go to our modules, because that's where so many helpful things are, you'll see that there's a whole folder for the technical description paper. So we've got our groundwork for technical descriptions and what it is, and then probably the most helpful thing for you before you get started on the assignment is to watch this recorded lecture on technical description instructions. Highly, highly recommend that you take a look at this before attempting the assignment because it's going to walk you through the whole process. Step by step so that you know exactly what I'm looking for as I grade this document. In addition to the recorded lecture, which should also be very helpful, I have some other supporting documents here. The assignment itself in PowerPoint form, this is the basis of the recorded lecture, so if you want to be able to click through it at a slower pace, go for that. And then I also have some PowerPoints on how you use images within a text, because that's going to be one of the assignments of this technical description document is to create images embedded in text. And then here's also a citation generator for those images because they do need to be formatted in APA style. This website will help you do that. So lots of great resources for you here, but please, the best place to start is to watch this technical description recorded lecture because it will give you all of the most essential pieces of information as well as answer frequently asked questions so that you have all the tools you need to be successful here. So watch that recorded lecture. Highly recommend watching that today or tomorrow to get you off to a really good start. You're going to be doing some readings from Markle's text this week, and then we're going to share some of our ideas in a discussion board, and then we're going to share our technical description for peer review so other people can look at it, make some suggestions for revision to make it more clear, more concise, more effective, and then you'll work on it and submit the final big thing on Sunday. So watch that recorded lecture of instructions, participate in those discussion boards, and I look forward to seeing what you create. I will be catching up on emails probably this evening when my husband gets home and he can catch puke in a bucket. So that'll be fun. So there might be a slight delay on email responses, but I thank you in advance for your understanding and patience as we get rolling on our assignments this week. Have a good one, guys, and wash your hands and don't lick things that other people touch. That is probably how my kids got this. All right, have a good one, guys.